This seated breathing sequence called Anuloma is a wonderful sequence to kind of bring us back down after we've had quite a strong practice where we're bringing energy through our body. So it's a lovely calming sequence that helps us to kind of stabilize our nervous system. So what we want to work towards, guys, is the left nostril being the cooling channel, the right nostril being the heating channel. On the left side, we've got the lunar element, the moon, and on the right side, we've got the sun element. So we're looking at bringing ways to balance the heat within the body as well as the cool within the body. So it's a nice alchemy between the two. So with any pranayama rhythms that we do, we want to make sure that we're comfortable, that we're not stressing or straining our breath cycle. So if we work with the 3-3 breath, we should be nice and safe. Keeping our eyes open, following me on the first few cycles. So we sit nice and tall on our back, taking a breath in. Exhale, we want to extend out through our arms and raising these two fingers, right two fingers up, the index finger and the ring finger, middle finger, coming up to center. So that's our inhale. I close my right nostril and I breathe out through my left nostril for 3, for 2, for 1. I'm releasing that arm down. Second side, left palm extends out. I inhale 1, I inhale 2, I inhale 3. I close my left nostril and I breathe out through my right for 3, out 2, out 1. So I want to be nice and upright in my body as I'm doing this. So I'm raising my right arm, inhaling 1, inhaling 2, inhaling 3. That's about a 60% lung capacity. That's all one breath. And then I hold and I pause and I breathe out through the left for 3, out through the left for 2, out through the left for 1. Release the arm down nice and gently. So you can see there's some very precise and concise movements going on as I inhale 1, inhale 2, inhale 3, hold and pause, out through the right, out through the right, out through the right. Releasing down. Slowly together we breathe in 1, we breathe in 2, we breathe in 3, hold the breath in, closing that right nostril, out through the left for 3, out through the left for 2, out through the left for 1. Releasing the arm down. Inhale 1, inhale 2, inhale 3, little pause, out through the right, out through the right, out through the right. Let's do 2 with our eyes closed, just really internalizing the movements. Inhale, raising our right arm, pause, close your right arm, close the right nostril, out through the left for 3, out through the left for 2, out through the left for 1. Releasing down. Inhale, raising our left arm, hold and pause the breath in, out through the right, out through the right, out through the right. Releasing down. Inhale, raising your right arm. Hold the breath in gently. Closing that right nostril. Out through the left for 3. Out through the left for 2. Out through the left for 1. Releasing the arm down. Sitting nice and tall in our back. So as you can see, it's a very steadying sequence to really stabilize the nervous system. Puts you into a nice peaceful space. Takes quite a bit of work to concentrate on the left and right movements of the arm, but it's a lovely balancing between the left hemisphere of the body and the right hemisphere of the body. Closing our eyes, focusing inwards, closing our practice through Ujjayi Pranayama, how we started the sequence. Exhale fully, breathing in. Little pause at the top, and breathing out for 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom. Inhaling 1, inhaling 2, inhaling 3. Little pause at the top. Exhaling 3, exhaling 2, exhaling 1. Breath draws in, breath out. returning to a nice, comfortable breathing cycle. Thank you.